So is my voice audible to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I think that I'm not able to hear your voice today. So just wait 1 minute. I'll check my. So is it audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so let's begin today. I hope that there was some issue with my speaker or headphone, and I think it is resolved now. So let me know if it is audible. Give me someone oral reply.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I think that my voice is audible to you, but I'm not in position to listen your voice.
Hello.
So just give me someone reply. Yes, no.
Hello, sir. Yes.
Yes.
माझा आवाज पोचतोय तुमच्यापर्यंत. तुमचा आवाज येत नाहीये माझ्यापर्यंत.
Hello. Hello.
No,
Hello.
Yash, what you spoke, I'm not able to listen it.
Hello, sir. Hello. Hello, sir.
Yes, now it is audible. Yes, I got your voice now.
Okay, sir.
Ah,
Okay.
okay, all of you now just pay attention. In fact, there was some technical issue and could not start it on time. So in fact, because of less time and again that problems. Okay, let it be. Let's start today. So I hope that you people remember that what we have done in previous class. I think that we people have completed pronouns and are about to start verbs we people have started. So before going ahead, I would like to tell you people that I have added some notes in that study material sheet. So I hope that you will get it. So have you visited that sheet? Did you find any notes there?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
okay, so still I would like to just show you people that what you people can just go there. When you will just open the sheet, so that time you will get this kind of sheet there, and below there are tabs: timetable, EP, M1, BC, BME, EM, UHV. So you people have to go to CS tab. So where you people will get all recordings of the lectures of communication skills. In next column, you people will read additional materials. Is it visible? Additional materials. You
Yes,
can
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes, zoom in the screen if you want to just see it. First slide, you people will see that it is about syllabus and structure. Already we people have discussed about it, but still you, if you want to get the syllabus, you people get from this first slide. Then if you go to next notes unit number 1, you people have to click on this and you people will just get the all notes of that unit number 1. Okay. Then next you people may just see that next is ISC first sample question paper. So this will be our ISC that you people have to prepare accordingly, and we people are going to cover that topics also. So all you people are requested to just go through this question paper, and I'm sure that you might have seen it. First question is of articles. There will be 5 marks for articles. So you people have to answer. He is a dash efficient employee. We are not going to discuss. Don't answer me immediately because of time I'm not able to discuss. Otherwise, I would like to discuss it. Then similar, you people just try to see question number 2. Question number 2 is about prepositions. So we people will discuss prepositions in 1 or 2 lectures. So people will see that the cashier was not on the counter. You will find that already their preposition is given, but that given preposition is not correct. So in fact, you people have to mention correct preposition there. So can you tell what preposition will come here?
At the counter, sir.
Yes, Prasad, you're right. It should be at the counter. So similar questions you prepare, and if there is any doubt, questions or queries regarding any of the question, that time we'll discuss it afterwards. Question 3, it is about conjunctions. That is also for 5 marks. So first question is that he was busy in his work dash he could not attend the meeting. So what will come here? You people have to think of conjunction. He was busy.
So येते का, sir?
Yes.
So किंवा hence.
Hence,
So.
though will not be. Therefore will. Okay.
While.
No, while is also will not be. Only so, therefore, hence. Those could be answers. Okay. So accordingly, you prepare this question. Then question number 4, all you people now pay attention to question number 4. In question number 4, you people have to use correct form of verb. So we people are talking about verb today. So while using verb, you need to read the whole entire sentence. So what is sentence? We can go out now, it, and then there is a dash, and verb is given in bracket, not rain. So you people have to use negative form of verb anymore. So if we read sentence, that time we'll come to know the context. So in fact, it might be raining and now rain might be stopped. And so therefore now we want to go out. So you can just say we can go out now. So word now will tell you which tense you people have to use, and then you people have to use. So what will be the correct verb? Who will tell me? It rain anymore. Not rain.
It is.
Yes. It is not raining anymore. It will not also. It will not rain anymore, or it is not raining anymore. Something like this. Virat score a half century in the previous match. So people have to understand the previous match. It means in the past. So people have to use past tense of score. So what is past of score?
Scored.
Scored.
Yes.
Virat was scored.
Virat was नाही वापरायचं. Virat
A half
scored.
century.
Virat scored a half century in the previous match.
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
Hello?
Hi, yes, Aisha. Okay, fine. So Virat scored a half century likewise. So I'm not going to discuss all questions. You people go through it. And question number 5, it is also for 5 marks. It is about idioms. In Marathi, you may call it mani. So you people have to use these idioms into sentences. So you people have to make one sentence. So in a nutshell, it means that in short, so maybe you people can just make a sentence something like this. Teacher taught the topic in a nutshell. In a nutshell, it means that in short. Okay, something like this. A bosom friend, it means close friend. True to the salt, it means to be honest. In full swing, it means in full fledged, in full enthusiasm, in full eagerness. At the outset, it means in at the beginning. Okay, so likewise, you people have to make 5 sentences from such idioms. Okay, so with this, I will go back to this sheet. So if you see the next one, that was UT first and ISC first question bank is also there. So when you will go for this UT1 and ISC first question bank, again you people will get a lot of questions here. You people have to prepare for ISC and unit test first from the questions which is here. So for articles, you prepare such questions. There might be some questions here and there. I don't expect that all questions will be from this bank only. Then for second preposition, there are two types of questions which can be asked on preposition. One is already preposition is given, but it may be wrong. You people have to make it correct by using a preposition like this. And there is another type where you will be given blank, totally blank, total blank will be there. You will not be provided with any kind of prepositions, and you people have to put correct preposition there. Okay, so you people read all those questions. Conjunctions, you people are given some 10, 11, 16 questions. Accordingly, you prepare, get familiar with all those questions. Then next one is verbs, verb forms. It is also discussed here. You people go all through these examples. Let's try to understand how answer comes. In bracket, verb is given, and in bold letters, what correct form of verb is used here, you people will see it. Then in idioms and phrases also, you people have to just understand. See, in a nutshell, it means that in short, he told us a story in nutshell, something like this. You people have to prepare at the outside, bosom frame, full swing, and additional there are other idioms also. You prepare for them and be ready for unit test and ISC. Is it clear? Is there any questions, doubt, queries regarding unit test first and ISC first? कोणाला काय अडचण आहे का? I'm waiting for your reply. You people have to say yes, no, something.
Sir, ISC test कधी आहे?
ISC will be declared. Its timetable will also be given to you. Probably after 15th of March will be.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay,
सर
so
CS ला फक्त 3 ISC असणार ना?
additionally, we people are preparing for unit tests also. So ISC आणि unit test दोन्ही असते.
एंड सेम असते का सर?
एंड सेमिस्टर एक्झाम नसते. ओके, अजून कोणाला क्वेश्चन्स आहेत? Okay, fine. So let's go to our presentation. Once again, I will share the screen where we people have been started with the verb forms. So you people just see that the screen is visible once again. Okay, so verb, that is the main part of any sentence that we people have discussed in previous slide. There cannot be sentence without verb. There can be sentence without subject, but there cannot be sentence without verb. So verb is main part of any sentence. Verbs are words that are used to express an action. So in a verb, you people need to understand that there are some actions, or sometimes they express state, or sometimes they are used to denote facts also. Okay. For example, he is a teacher. So in this example,
Sir, is there any sentence without subject?
yes, there are many. For example, if I just write one sentence here. Close the door. So do you find any subject here in this sentence? So there can be, or simply
No.
the sentence can be like this: go. This is also sentence, but you will find there are verbs. So close is verb, go is verb. So there can be sentence without subject, but there cannot be a sentence without verb. Okay. So as I told you that verbs, they can express an action, but sometimes they just state, they are used to express the state and facts. So maybe example like this, as I told, he is a teacher. So which is verb in this sentence? He is a teacher. Which is verb?
Is.
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 Yes. Yes, this is verb, but it is not showing any action. So what it does? It states fact kiwa state is also. Okay. So there are types of verbs that we people are going to discuss in following slides. Every sentence must have a verb. So that is the point which I just told, that it is expected that all sentences, they consist of verb, and they talk about what the subject is doing or explains what is going on. So usually verbs are used to express what kind of work or action that subject is doing. Okay. And sometimes some things are happening around us. So in that case also verbs tell us what is going on around us. Then let's go to the next slide, and on next slide you people are going to see the forms of verb, or I will say that what we understand by these forms of verb. So we, that is base form, you can say, that is only verb, play. And then to be form, so to be means to is used before verb. So in that case it is called to be form. You may call it V1, क्रियापदाचं पहिलं रूप, to play. Then next form, that is V2 or past tense or क्रियापदाचं दुसरं रूप, played. Past participle, that is V3, you may call it क्रियापदाचं तिसरं रूप, played. And present participle, or you may call it VING, क्रियापदाला ING प्रत्यय, that is playing. And you'll come to know that all the verbs, they are used in these 5 forms only. Apart from that, you will not come to know that there is some other form of verb which can be used.
तर हे फॉर्म्स कशाच्या बेसिस वरती पडले?
There is no any kind of base, पण use of particular verb to express an idea. म्हणजे एखादी गोष्ट आपल्याला जर सांगायची असेल किंवा कधी घडली हे सांगायची असेल, or if you are asking on the basis, I would like to give that tense will be main base. पहिली गोष्ट की काळाच्या आधारावरती जर आपण if you are talking about present tense, you can refer these to one. If you are going to refer past tense, you can refer these two ones. And if you are going to refer again present, but it is in progressive, so that time you can refer this form of verb. Okay. So maybe tense is base form, but not only tense, but as per the requirement that we need to express ourselves, and we express with the help of using tense. So therefore we people have to use all those 5 forms only. Okay. Sometimes you people are asked to prepare 3 forms of verbs also. Maybe in following slides we people are going to see how 3 forms of verbs we should know, or you can take screenshot of these forms of verb. So here I have just 1 or 2 slides regarding 3 forms of verb. Forms, they are again can be regular forms of verbs and irregular forms of verbs. In regular form, you people have to remember that second form and third form, past tense and past participle is same, that is it is with ed. And in irregular verbs, you will come to know that 3 forms are totally different. Here break, it is broke, and it is broken, something like this. So that is called irregular, and second and third form same, that is called regular verbs. So just try to read with me. Beg, begged, begged. Copy, copied, copied. Dry, dried, dried. Fit, fitted, fitted. Hug, hugged, hugged. Marry, married, married. Plan, planned, planned. Rely, relied, relied. Skip, skipped, skipped. Tip, tipped, tipped. Try, tried, tried. Worry, worried, worried. Ban, banned, banned. Clap, clapped, clapped. Drop, dropped, dropped. Shop, shopped, shopped. Sleep, sleeped, slept. Stop, stopped, stopped. Travel, traveled, traveled. Empty, emptied, emptied. So these are some common verbs. There are many more, but at least try to read them, and from them you can add your own also. There are many more. Because of short of time, I'm not going to ask you people, but I'm sure I know that you know many verbs than this. In irregular verbs, be, was, or were. Was is singular, were is plural, and been, begin, began, begun. Break, broke, broken. Build, built, built. Choose, chose, chosen. Come, came, come. Do, did, done. Cut, cut, cut. This is also one of the type of verb that you people have to remember. Three forms are same: cut, 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 shut, 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 or there may be some hurt, hurt, hurt. So these are some verbs in there remain same in three forms: draw, drew, drawn; eat, ate, eaten; fall, fell, fallen. Sanket, yes, is there anything you want to say? A for 64. Fly, flew, flown. Get, got. Here you may be having again confusion. Sometimes you'll read get, got, but in American English it is get, got, gotten. Okay, remember. Go, went, gone. Have, had. Keep, kept, kept. Know, knew, known. Sing, sang, sung. Tall, it is not tall, in fact it should be tell. Try to understand. It is tell, told, told. Win, won. And additionally I got one verb from Reshma. Write, wrote, written is also there, and so many verbs are there. Yes, I know that you just try to add such kind of list of verbs in your notebook. Okay, so that's all about verb. In short, I have explained. In fact, there is much more to talk about verb. It requires additional 3 to 4 hours to complete this verb form in details. So again, that main verb we people have talked about, and that main verb can be, again, we classify that transitive verbs, okay, and intransitive verbs. So transitive and intransitive, this classification talks about whether we can just make it passive. If any verb, if we can convert them into passive voice, that is transitive verb. And if any verb, if we are not able to make its passive voice, it will be called intransitive verb. Okay. Is there any question regarding verb? Verb मध्ये काय अडचण आहे का? We will discuss now another part of verb. All that we have discussed, it was about main verb. Main verb बद्दल आपण बोललो. We will discuss now about another part, and that another part is modal verbs. Okay, or you might have heard about auxiliary verb, modal auxiliary. Okay, so what is modal auxiliary verbs? Modal auxiliary verbs are also called helping verbs, but they have their own meaning. They have their own meaning. Okay, in auxiliary verbs there are primary auxiliary and modal auxiliary. So primary auxiliaries are am, is, are, was, were, do, does, did, have, has, had. Okay, so these are called primary auxiliaries. And modal auxiliary verbs, in modal auxiliary verbs we people are going to have this shall and will, can, could, may, might, must, should, would, need to, dare to, and used to. So these are the some of the modal verbs that we people are going to discuss today. Are you getting it, or am I too fast? कळते का जास्त फास्ट होते? Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
okay, fine. So let's try to understand these use of modal auxiliaries. So first of all, we are going to talk about use of shall. Okay, and I think that somewhere I am not sure in which class, but there was some debate. We cannot say debate, but some students were saying that when should we use shall and will. So if there is pronoun I and we, in that case we people use shall. Okay, so that was the point, but I would like to tell that we people can use I and we will also. So both are correct. You don't only just say that I shall is only correct and I will is not correct, or we shall is correct and we will is not correct. Both are correct. You people can use in both way, but there is a slight difference when you say I shall and when you say I will. So I will just give an example. Suppose that if sentence is like this, I will go to Pune, and same sentence is like this, I shall go to Pune. So if you read both sentences, is there any difference in meaning? काय वेगळा किंवा त्याच्यामध्ये काय डिफरन्स वाटू शकतो का तुम्हाला? असेल तर काय?
First sentence मध्ये sir certainty आणि second sentence मध्ये uncertainty.
Yes, you're right, Prasad. When we use I will, so it is about certainty. And maybe when I say about I shall go, I may not be sure or I may not go to Pune. But when I say I will go to Pune, I will definitely go to Pune. The certainty, nishita, surety is there when you say I will. Same with we also. When you say we will win, it means that we will win surely. And if you are saying we shall win, may not be. May jinko kya jinko nahi sudha. Like this. So that is the difference between shall and will. So just pay attention to this. Use of shall, shall's upper. Why it is called modal auxiliaries? Because they carry their own meaning, and shall can be used for giving suggestions. If you want to give suggestion to someone, you people can use shall. Or here you may just read this example that, shall I get a pizza for dinner tonight? So this is actually, in fact, this is question, but it is in form of suggestion. Okay. Or with the help of shall, it can be offers or volunteering. Volunteering means that something that you want to do by your own. स्वतःहून काहीतरी पुढे येऊन करणे, that is volunteering. Okay. So that bag looks heavy. Shall I carry it for you? So what you are doing here, you are just volunteering it, or you are offering service to someone. Okay. Next, shall can be used for instructions. So here you may just see asking for or giving. What shall I do with your mail when it arrives? So you just want to give or ask something, some information. Shall can be used for promises. You shall be the first person to know. And maybe shall can be used for confirmation. I shall meet you there at 7. So this is kind of confirmation that surely, definitely we are going to meet at 7. Okay. So before going ahead, I want to just confirm absent numbers for today's lecture. Roll number 5 is there. Then roll number 13, 19, 22, 24, then 29, 31, 33, 34.
Sir,
Okay,
33.
33 is present. 38, 39,
Sir, 38.
38 is there. 39, 42, 43, 45, 49, 51, 55, 58, 59, 58 is there. Then, so once again, I will announce absent numbers today. 5, then 19, 22, 24, 29, 31, 34, 39, 42, 43, 45, 49, 51, 55.
Sir,
Huh.
sir, 51 present.
Okay, 51 is present. Then 59. Okay, so that's all about absent numbers. Fine. So we people were talking about shall. So these are the some of the uses. And you can also read that the modal verb shall is not used much nowadays. It may be still found in formal speech and some legal documents. Okay, so that is also important to note की जे काही फॉर्मल किंवा तुम्ही इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स वाचत असाल, एखादा डॉक्युमेंट वाचत असाल और लीगल डॉक्युमेंट्स असेल, there only you find that use of shall. The most common use of shall in everyday English is in questions that offer or suggest. म्हणजे जास्तीत जास्त ऑफर किंवा सजेशन देण्यासाठी you people can use shall. So maybe you can say, shall we go for lunch? Shall we go for tea? Shall we go for picnic? So these are offer or suggestions. You can begin something like this. Shall I bring for you? Shall we? Okay. Originally, shall was used instead of will in first person with I and we when talking about the future. So that already we people have discussed. And this is the last minute, few seconds have left. We are going to get disconnected at any moment. Perhaps we are going to stop here. The remaining part we will discuss in next class. We'll complete verb and tenses, and in additional 2 lectures we'll complete prepositions and conjunctions.